Hello, this is Marina with Flex Healing. Welcome to my channel. So today I decided to speak about essential oils again and present you an opportunity to have essential oils in your home together with the diffuser and humidifier. So today I'm speaking about PSK Kit. So before we get into essential oils, I just wanted to present you the diffuser and humidifier that comes with this specific kit. So as you can see in the background, there is a diffuser and humidifier. It's called Aria diffuser. It's a beautiful diffuser that comes with a glass top. So you put a little bit of water inside, a drop or two essential oils, and this is a cold diffusion. So you can see the air comes out with essences of aromatic essential oils. It has a nice wooden frame. So I'll just lift it up so you guys can see it. So this is called Aria diffuser. I use this in my bedroom. It covers up to 430 square feet. It comes with a remote control, as you can see it. It runs up to 12 hours. It has 5 LED lights that you can actually change here. You can listen to the music, or you don't have to. There's an option that you can diffuse it and use the diffuser with no music. And next to that, we have a different kind of diffuser, which is called Desert Mist diffuser. So this particular diffuser has more LED lights. You can see it. They periodically change. You can place a setting where you can change the lights. It's really important to know these are diffusers and humidifier at the same time. So you can use both of them actually as a decorative lamp, and then you can refresh and improve the quality of the air in your home. So this is called Desert Mist diffuser. So you can choose one or two, or maybe you wanted to have both in your home. I have both in my home. With this diffuser, we have a set of essential oils. It comes in a set of 10, so I have 10 in my hand. And in addition to that, there's 2 more additional essential oils that are kind of hidden in the box, so I'll get to that shortly. So the first oil that comes in the kit, it's called peppermint. Then we have a lemon, chives, citrus fresh, digest, raven, velour, panaway, lavender, and frankincense. These are basic oils. Some of them are singles. Some of them are blend oils. What does it mean, blend? It means that there are several plants, flowers, barks, or perhaps fruits in it. So let's start with the first one. The first one is called peppermint. Peppermint is very refreshing, especially when it's hot outside. You can place a drop or two, maybe apply it on your neck to give that freshness and aroma. It has a cooling effect. Right next to it, we have a lemon. So lemon also, it's very refreshing essential oils. The versatile usage of the lemon, again, when it's the summertime, this is a perfect oil to add and create maybe a lemonade. So these specific oils that have like a white label around it, they are safe for digestion. So you can use them, add them to your water, to your smoothies, to your salads. So peppermint, it's very refreshing during summertime. Lemon, invigorating, also refreshing at the same time. You can make a lemonade perhaps. Right next to it, it's thieves. So this is a blend oil. This kills 99.9% of germs. So it's a really good oil to have it in your home. Also, if you travel, if you use public transportation, you can apply a drop on your hands before you touch the doorknobs. This is a perfect oil for that. And also it has kind of like a little bit of different aroma. So it has a clove and cinnamon, as you can see. That's a different kind of maybe even spicy oil. Right next to chives, we have citrus fresh. Again, refreshing aroma. I use it a lot with my smoothies. It gives that a nice kick to a smoothie, and it's refreshing. Right next to it, we have digest. So if you have eaten something really bad lately, I would take a drop of digest and I would place it on my belly, and I will go clockwise to really promote my digestive juices to move a little bit faster, and it does work. So this is the first set of oils. Like I said, some of them are singles, some of them are blends. In the second set of oils, we have Raven. So in New York, right now I'm recording this video actually from Brooklyn, New York, and there's a lot of pollen in the air, and sometimes even that allergic reactions with the sneezing, perhaps nose congestion. So this is the oil that I use a lot with my sinuses when I go outside. It helps me with the allergy season. I place a drop or two, I apply it on my chest, or I inhale it directly from my hands. Right next to it, it's Valor. So Valor is a blend oil. It's very special oil. Has a frequency of the bones. You can apply them on the bottom of your feet, and it promotes self-confidence and courage. Right next to Valor, we have a Panaway. Panaway, it's a really good oil if you spend a lot of time in nature, if you went hiking, if you bike, if you did any kind of physical activity. So Panaway will help you to relax your muscles, and it has a nice, refreshing wintergreen aroma. Right next to Panaway, we have Lavender. Pretty much similar properties, but a little bit different. So Lavender, it's really good to diffuse before you go to sleep. I use it in so many ways. It's such a versatile oil. You can use it in a bathtub. You can use it when you wash your laundry, in a load. You can use it to refresh your linens. You can use it to make a cake out of it, lavender cake, or lemonade. And that is a single oil, but so many versatile uses of lavender. And the last oil, but not the least, we have two more additional. It's frankincense. So frankincense is regarded as a very spiritual oil. In ancient time, it has, and even now, it has been used for cleansing properties. It's a great oil for meditation. So that is frankincense. So this is the set of 10 oils. In addition to that, we have two more extra oils. So what a lot of people don't know, when they do open up a box, there's like a secret passage, right? And it comes with the paper on top. It's kind of hidden. And the oils, two additional oils, are actually behind that. So if you open up, if you place your box this way, and then you remove the papers. Let's remove them one by one. There's this like a little ribbon. You pull the ribbon up. Voila, we have more. I just took them outside of the box, but they are safely placed here. So we have two additional oils. We have Stress Away, and we have Peace and Calming. They also come with the roller fitment, so you can actually place them when you open the oils on top and just roll around your neck perhaps, or if you have problems sleeping, Peace and Calming would be great essential oil for that, in addition to Stress Away. And what else do we have here? So we have three more things actually. We have a sachet antioxidant drink. It's called Ninja Red. And I use this a lot before my workout, or sometimes even after the workout. It has goji berry, cranberries. It's highly regarded antioxidant drink. So that's an extra that comes in the box. And two more things. So we also have Thieves Spray that comes in the box. And also Thieves Hands Purifier. So that what you should expect in your PSK box. So you have an options of 1 or 2 diffuser, maybe both. In the PSK kit, it only comes with 1 diffuser. So you can have an options between maybe Aria or Desert Mist diffuser. There's a couple more options. If you go to the back office of Young Living, you can actually see what other additional diffuser come into the package. It comes with a set of 12 oils that we mentioned earlier. So we have 10 here, and if you lift the box, you have 2 additional oil, Ninja Red sachet, antioxidant juice, and also hand purifier and spray, antioxidant spray. So that's what you should expect in your PSK box. If you have any questions how to get this PSK box, how to order them, how to use them, and what are the best way to get the most out of your PSK package, you can contact me directly at flexhealing@gmail.com. That is flexhealing@gmail.com. I am truly looking forward to connecting with you and sharing this knowledge and this love and passion towards essential oils and the package that you will be getting. That is all from me today. Thank you for watching.